In our international news, over 35,000 international guests have gathered at an empty farm in Alton, transformed into a fully functioning makeshift village with the help of more than 5,000 volunteers, providing their aid to ensure the success of the Jalsa Salana before, during and after the convention. Every other Ahmadiyya Muslim community hosts the Jalsa Salana, an international gathering propagating Islam's message of peace, partaking in faith-based dialogues and gathering all visitors under one ban of harmonious ambience for 3 consecutive days. The community aims to dispel misconceptions around Islam at a time of increasing intolerance towards the religion and global political instability. Following the Friday sermon, attendees made their way to the food mark, where food solely prepared by volunteers was readily served to guests of thousands from all across the world. At 4:30 p.m., the flag hoisting ceremony took place where His Holiness raises the official flag of the community. This practice is a key aspect of the annual convention, and thousands of people gather to witness it firsthand, whilst thousands more watch it on MTA. Thereafter, His Holiness addressed the global community with his inaugural address of the Jalsa Salana UK, highlighting the need for ameliorating our faith in line with continuous and devoted prayers.